car vacuum cleaners ensure deep interior cleaning, removing hidden dust, allergens, and debris for hygiene, comfort, and long-lasting vehicle cleanliness. Today's video is about top 5 best car vacuum cleaners for deep cleaning that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at A9life Handheld Car Vacuum. This ultra-lightweight handheld vacuum is designed for effortless, everyday cleaning across your car, home, or office. Weighing only 0.72 pounds, it offers true cordless convenience, allowing one-handed use without the hassle of outlets or tangled cords. Despite its compact size, it delivers powerful suction with 2 modes: Eco for light tasks and Max for tougher messes, easily handling dust, crumbs, pet hair, and sand in seconds. Versatility is a key highlight, thanks to its 3 specialized attachments. The crevice nozzle reaches tight gaps like car seats and sofa corners, the brush nozzle lifts embedded pet hair from upholstery, and the unique rubber blow nozzle helps clear debris from keyboards, vents, and other hard-to-reach areas. Fast USB-C charging ensures quick readiness in just 2.5 hours, while up to 30 minutes of runtime provides solid cleaning flexibility. The HEPA filtration system captures fine dust efficiently, and the washable, reusable filters make maintenance simple and cost-effective. Overall, it's a practical, portable cleaning solution for quick and efficient mess control. Now our second product is YOYOTO Handheld Car Vacuum. The YOYOTO Handheld Car Vacuum delivers impressive cleaning power in a compact, portable design. With a strong 21 kilopascals, 54 AW, suction generated by a 150,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor, it easily lifts dust, debris, and dirt from tight car corners and hard-to-reach areas. 3 adjustable cleaning modes provide flexibility, allowing users to switch between quick touch-ups and deeper cleaning sessions depending on the mess. What sets this device apart is its true 4-in-1 multifunction design. It doesn't just vacuum, it can also inflate, blow, and extract air, making it useful for cars, home spaces, workstations, and even outdoor needs. Paired with 9 versatile attachments, including brushes, crevice tools, and multiple blower nozzles, it ensures no spot is left untouched. Charging is fast and convenient via Type-C, reaching full power in about 2 hours, with up to 45 minutes of runtime in low mode. The dual filtration system, combining stainless steel and HEPA filters, captures fine particles with 99.97% efficiency. Lightweight, portable, and easy to empty, it's a practical all-in-one cleaning tool for detailed everyday use. Our third product is Surputs Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. This 4-in-1 cordless car vacuum offers a strong balance of power, portability, and versatility for everyday cleaning needs. Delivering up to 18,000 pascals suction with a 120W brushless motor, it effectively removes dust, crumbs, sand, and pet hair from car interiors, furniture, and tight spaces. The dual-mode operation allows users to switch between Eco and Max settings, ensuring both energy efficiency and deep cleaning performance when needed. Beyond vacuuming, its 4-in-1 functionality adds blowing, inflating, and suction capabilities, making it useful for multiple tasks at home, in the office, or on the go. The included multi-nozzle set enhances precision cleaning, reaching corners, upholstery, keyboards, and other difficult areas with ease. A 6,000 mAh battery provides up to 15 minutes of high-power use, supported by fast Type-C charging and real-time LED battery display for convenience. The large 400 ml dust cup, washable HEPA filter, and detachable bin make maintenance simple and hygienic. Lightweight at just 1.3 pounds, it's easy to handle, store, and carry, making it a practical everyday cleaning companion. Now number 4, Dustix Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. This cordless car vacuum offers a practical and compact solution for everyday cleaning tasks across cars, homes, and offices. With up to 12,000 pascals suction power, it efficiently removes dust, crumbs, and small debris from seats, mats, and tight corners, making it a reliable choice for quick maintenance and light detailing work. Its dual-speed system adds useful flexibility, allowing users to switch between gentle cleaning for daily dust and higher power mode for tougher messes. The lightweight, cordless design improves mobility, letting you clean freely without being restricted by wires, whether in a car interior or around a desk. Powered by a 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery with Type-C charging, it delivers steady performance for regular use. The washable HEPA filter helps trap fine dust while supporting easy, reusable maintenance, reducing long-term cost and effort. Overall, its compact size makes it easy to store and carry, while still offering enough suction power for routine cleaning needs. It's a convenient handheld option for users who want a simple, portable vacuum for quick cleanups anywhere. And our last choice is Fanttik's Slim Apex Cordless Car Vacuum. This compact Slim V10 Apex vacuum is designed for quick, light-duty cleaning rather than heavy deep cleaning tasks, making it ideal for car interiors, desks, keyboards, and everyday small messes. Despite its small size, it offers up to 19,000 pascal suction in high mode, powered by a 120W brushless motor, ensuring solid performance for dust, hair, and debris removal. In low mode, it extends runtime up to 30 minutes, while high-speed mode provides around 15 minutes of focused cleaning power. A standout feature is its HD Smart Digital Display, which clearly shows battery status, operating mode, H/L, and overall device feedback through a Ring LED interface, improving usability and control. The 4-in-1 multifunction design adds versatility with vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and vacuum sealing functions, making it useful beyond just cleaning. It also includes 10 practical accessories for tight spaces, pet hair, and inflatables, increasing its adaptability. Lightweight at just 1.1 pounds, it is easy to carry and store, while one-button dust disposal ensures quick, hygienic maintenance for everyday convenience. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.